Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change cash in Excel without any formula. So if you want to change cash very easily, so just you need to use macros. So firstly click on view, and then click on macros, and in here click on view macros. Give any name to this new macro like change cash. Then click on create. Now remove this tags and now open my this site techproadvice.blogspot.com and search change lowercase to uppercase. Now copy this code and paste in this macro. Now close it and again click on macros, view macro, and select change text case. Then click on run. So now you can change case by pressing L, so it will make lower, and you want to make uppercase, so just you need to type U, and for proper case you need to type P. So like we have all letter small, we want to make uppercase, so type U, then OK. That's it. So now these text are now in uppercase. You want to make smaller, so macro, V macro, run, and L. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this simple step we can know how to change cash in Excel without using any formula. Thanks for watching.